Some areas are seeing strong buyer activity and multiple offers, while other areas are seeing longer time on the market and pricing adjustments. It's Friday, June 7th, 2024. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. This is the weekly Maryland Market Minute. The Baltimore metro region buyer activity fell this week, while the southern region buyer activity rose slightly. The Maryland Mountain region had higher buyer activity this past week, but contracts are down while prices rose higher this year than last year, the same time. Maryland suburbs saw buyer home tours up 12.1% this past week, and home prices remained stable. New inventory that hit the market fell from last week to 1,602, while new homes coming to the market are at 1,072. Fewer homes went under contract since last report at 1,568 and in 10 median days. 1,205 homes sold since last report at 100% list to sold ratio and in 7 days. Rentals available for lease zoomed up this past week to 2,050 at $2,400 median per month. That's a wrap for this week's Maryland Market Minute for Friday, June 7th, 2024. Thanks so much for tuning in. I'll see you next week. Take care.